Put an air horn on there. The old hose, new motor, I'm gonna put on my bike when I get home. This relay thing. $1,500, that's it. It's got the air horn on there. Ready?
Yep.
Let's hear what it sounds like. Show you where it's at. Just gotta put on finally. You can see it, but there's red things down there. Yeah, there's the horns. Test it out real quick. Let's put those. I had an old motor in there. I didn't think it worked, but it did work, and I bought one. There's a new horns, so I'm gonna take the old ones off and put it on the bike, or at least attempt.